Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the IELTS preparation course. My name is SaimonWillis and I will be your instructor for the IELTS preparation course. I am English and I speak with a middle class English accent. Now, as for the IELTS course, we will be showing you how to actually think in the IELTS way, which is the only tip you need to get the band score you deserve. You see, IELTS is not a question of pass or fail. You get a band score instead, which through the IELTS preparation course, we will explain. Needless to say that if you want to study in a university or a college abroad where English is used, then you will need an IELTS certificate. Now, we will be giving you plenty of examples of questions in reading and writing and listening and speaking for that matter, and we will show you what you can expect in the test. So in the meantime, we look forward to working with you on the IELTS preparation test. Thank you very much for listening. نشكركم بانتباهكم وصبركم.